In video number 1 and 2, you have done pre-task and just introduction or background for this day. Now, here is the read. Read 2, which would cover para number 2 to 4. Alright, say English 10th, Unit 6, read 2, discussions of para number 2 and 4. 3 to 4. Say you can read this and discuss this question. Just listen to me. I still remember that morning of the year 1887. I was just 7 years of age. Then my teacher Annie Sullivan came to our house. That next day she led me into her room and gave me a doll. Now this is just a paragraph. I think most of the words are familiar to you, most of all. So let us discuss whose story is. Then in the whole extract there is only one name, and that is Annie Sullivan, no other name. But earlier we discussed that this read is presented by Helen Keller herself, and so everywhere that is not written Helen Keller, but everywhere written I means Helen Keller. So you see in this paragraph I, my, me, all these pronouns suggest that this story is about Helen Keller. Whose story is this? So this is Helen's story. Who was the teacher? That you know. You can answer. What did Helen get on her first day? See, what did she get? Get is not written anywhere in the whole text. But you see this. She led me into her room and gave me a doll. She, that means Annie Sullivan. And led me, that means led Helen Keller. And gave me, that means gave Helen Keller. That means Helen Keller got it. So you can say that Helen got what? A doll. Alright. This way, just discuss, write the answers and match the answers given here. Okay, this way try to understand the text and answer the question. See, this is also next paragraph. 3 important words are underlined and you will learn the meanings of those words here. Now again, you start this way. I played with it for a while. Here, it gives the reference of the earlier text doll. I played. Now you understand I means Helen. See, I, again, I, everywhere. So, you can understand that this is the text told by Helen. Okay. Now let us understand this word. See, match the words in A with their meanings in B. In A words are given, in B meanings are. See, exciting word is. It was an exciting experience. Which, see, it has reference earlier. Miss Sullivan made some finger movement on my palm. See, Sullivan's finger movement on Ellen's palm. It was an exciting experience. Now you can understand exciting from this. Say, find out the meaning. Causing a surge of emotion. લાગણી પેદા કરતો છે. એકદમ આવેશ. લાગણીનો ઉશ્કેરાટ. That is a causing of surge of emotion. See, then next word, I got interested in that play and started imitating. She started imitating. What she started? What Sullivan did. Sullivan moved finger. Helen also moved finger. That means she copied what Sullivan did. So you can just get imitating. Feeling instant pleasure and excitement. Okay. So this way you can learn and also get the answers. Now second question. How did Sullivan teach Helen on that day? How? મિત્રો, આપણે આપણું જ્ઞાન આપણા સેન્સીસ એટલે જ્ઞાનેન્દ્રિયો દ્વારા મેળવીએ છીએ. મેં તમને પહેલા કહ્યું હતું હેલનના આઈઝ, નોઝ, ટંગ, ઇયર એન્ડ સ્કિન. ધીઝ આર ધ 5 આઈઝ. એનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આપણે કહી શકીએ. હવે હેલન પાસે આઈઝ નો પાવર, then ear could not hear and tongue could not speak. એટલે કે 3 ઇન્દ્રિયો તો એની બંધ જ હતી. That you know, એ તમે જાણો છો. તો હવે એ સિવાયની 2 ઇન્દ્રિયોનો એ ઉપયોગ કરીને મેળવી. How did so she learn? By touching. So that can be the answer. She imitating, she made with her finger. And you can answer this. See, Helen did not like learning with finger movement. True or false? So finger movement, here the finger movement. Miss Sullivan made some finger movements on my palm. It was an exciting experience. It was very interesting experience. So this shows that she liked. Here it is said she did not like. So now you can decide whether true or not. Which sentence shows that she liked learning? From here you find it. Then you just get the answers and you will find 1, 2, 3. 1 that is C and 3 that is E. Thrilled means feeling using finger movements. When I finally succeeded in doing that correctly, I was thrilled. So thrilled is the real answer. Now next one, para number 4. Say, we learned this means observe this picture and learn the purpose of it earlier. આ ચિત્ર અગાઉ જોયું હતું, આનો હેતુ પણ સમજાતા. એટલે ટેક્સ્ટમાં that is given. How she learned. So read this text up to this and then answer this question. Okay, now let us see this. This day Helen learned the word in the garden. So in garden, what did she learn? She was in the garden. You can easily. She learned the word using sense. Which sense did she use? She learned that word. She did not use eyes, did not use ear. She used. As the cool flow of water ran over one hand, she spelled this word. So ran over hand, that means water touched her hand. This way you understand. આ રીતે તમારે સમજવાનું છે. અહીં એક્ઝેક્ટ શબ્દ હોય એવો અહીં નહીં. Now third. She learned that every object has a letter, name, garden. Okay, so this way you can do. Helen was. So this way, just read the text and solve the questions. Means these gifts, and you will learn this. After that, just you check the answer and this way complete this. Okay, see. Friends, you learn nicely. આ રીતે સમજપૂર્વક ટેક્સ્ટને વાંચો, ડિસ્કસ કરો, તમે ઘણું બધું શીખશો. Thank you for watching the videos and learning many things.